Okay, welcome back everybody, and welcome to my channel for day trading cryptocurrencies. Just once again, anything on this video should not be used for any sort of trading or financial advice. I, have no idea what I'm doing. We're just trying it out, so I'm basically a monkey at a keyboard. So if you'll remember, last couple times we haven't made really much any progress on the three coins that we were looking at. Things have been pretty static. Sitting around 35 on the XTZs where we bought at 25 and 35. So let's go ahead and head on over to Coinbase and see if anything has changed since then. So obviously, first look, we're down to 82. So it looks like we took a bit of a loss this time. We started at 84. Yesterday we were at 86, so it looks like we took a bit of a hit, just a couple dollars there. So not as good as we were hoping. We're hoping to go up this time, but it looks like we're down. So looking at the different coins, the Tezos is at 35, and if you remember, we bought it at 35, so we're back to ground zero on that one. CGLD, 24, we bought that one at about that level at 25, and then 23 for the compound, and it's down to 21. So we've kind of made a loss all across the board. Let's take a look and see what's happened in the last 24 hours on the markets and see if we can't figure out what happened. First one, the XTZ. You can see that the market dropped. Things are looking, like they might stabilize a little bit now, but they definitely went down, so took a loss there. CGLD, also kind of the same. Looks like we kind of slowly made our way down. Similar position, and the comp as well definitely took a pretty significant dip earlier on in the day. So looks like we're kind of in a low spot there. Comp is kind of on the bottom area, so it does have potential of kicking back up again. XTZ, we're down from the peak, so I'm not sure if this is one that we want to hang on to or not, but we just might continue to chance it. But if you remember last time, I did mention that CGLD would be the one that I want to get out of if we do. Kind of need to shuffle things around, and looks like that, we just might want to do that. It has a little bit of action every now and then, but it seems we keep missing the boat there. So maybe what we'll do is we'll take this compound comp and let's shuffle it into something else. So again, let's take a look at the different coins here and see if we can find one that might be ready to buy and hopefully get a little bit more action on it. Bitcoin itself has been fairly stable. It's been sitting around 10, 11,000, so not a huge room for gains lately, so we'll probably look at that one. Now, OX, this is kind of looking at a good buy position. We're definitely oversold on the RSI. We're way down. We're below 20, which is a strong indicator, and way below our two moving averages. So it looks like we're just coming off of a major tank. So the level is potentially going back up right now. Looks like it's about to make that switch. So that actually might be a good one. We don't see levels like that very often at that kind of place, so let's go ahead and make that switch. What we're going to do is we're just going to trade, and we're going to convert all of our comp, which is we've got 21, and move that over to the, let's see, OXT. So where is that one? Right here, the AUX. So let's go ahead and convert all of that. Convert that now. And we'll see if that was a good indicator or not. So that's been submitted, so that'll take a little bit to kind of go through. So in the meantime, looks like, I'm pretty happy with that. We have good potential of things going up, at least from that point. So maybe we'll make a little bit of headway that way. So we put in just under $21. So let's go ahead and track that. So we change the comp over to the OXT. We bought it at 21. So the point that we're looking at to sell on this, hopefully we'll get up to just above $23 there. So just kind of something to keep track of there. And maybe what I'll do for the next video is I'm going to add an additional column here to see what profit or loss that we took on the coins. So next time I do that, I'll add a column that would and we want to sell it and what I actually sold at and what percent increase or decrease we actually made there. So look forward to that on the next video. I'll work on making those columns, get those equations right. Shouldn't be too hard, so I'll just throw that in there and we'll take a look for next time, but we'll kind of wait on that and see what happens. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and refresh this page and see where we're at with the OXT now. Looks put some into the OX. Looks like the trade hasn't quite gone through yet, so we'll give that a minute. But the order's been placed at least. The Coinbase is pretty good about sticking with the value where it was currently at, so we should be getting right in right as things start going up because we're definitely oversold. So we'll take a look. Hope that we get something that way. Continue to kind of hang on to these because they might still have potential. We'll just kind of have to see. So we'll keep our fingers crossed, and again, we'll check back in tomorrow, see if anything changes, and see if they kind of go our way this time instead of going down. That's kind of the nature of day trading. Sometimes things are down, sometimes they're up, and just kind of gotta hedge your bets and see if you get lucky. So thanks for watching, everyone, and we will check back in next week and see if that ox is any better for us.